Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. The Kids are Green. Once upon a time, in a quaint village, there lived a cute little boy named Liu. Liu was a very happy and joyful boy. One day, the Liu discovered a wounded sparrow in his backyard. He picked the sparrow up with his gentle hands and a kind heart. The Liu picked the sparrow in his hand and gave a great look to check where the sparrow has injury. The sparrow was stunned and afraid of Liu in the start. The Liu took the sparrow to his home, where he hanged a sparrow picture on his wall. Liu spoke to the sparrow. "Hey little one, you are very cute and nice." And the Liu nurses the sparrow back to his health, which forming a deep bond between Liu and the sparrow with his new feathered friend, who named the sparrow the Chirpy. Chirpy was very happy with his name and showed his love for Liu. The Chirpy was becoming healthy and active. The Liu and the Sparrow become inseparable companions, exploring the world around them and sharing joyful moments. One day, as Liu and Chirpy strolling in the fields, they encounter other children who are often unkind to animals. Witnessing this, Liu realized that not everyone possesses the same compassion which he has for his sparrow. The Liu was determined to spread kindness. He began teaching his friends how to care for animals and nurture the environment. Through heartfelt conversation and games, fun and storytelling, Liu inspired the village children to change their behavior. One day, in a pivotal moment, a severe storm hit the village, causing chaos and fear. Liu and his friends come together to protect the animals, including Chirpy, showing that their newfound compassion extended beyond just words. As they work together, the village unites, transforming their homes into a sanctuary for both people and wildlife. By the end, Liu's efforts spark a community movement where kindness towards animals become a shared value. The villagers learn that compassion enriching their lives, and Liu with Chirpy by his side. At the end, Liu becomes a symbol of hope and humanity to change for the better. The horrible storm teaches the whole village that unity is the best policy to protect themselves. After that, the villagers and Liu friends become the symbol of empathy for the animals. The Liu takes the Chirpy with him and show the village that they have changed, and the Liu make a sweet home for his friend Chirpy, and they live together happily. The Chirpy share his stories with the Liu and become a strong bond between them. So kids, I hope you all like my videos. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel so you can watch the all upcoming videos.